How to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not working on your Samsung phone. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can easily fix if your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection is not working. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your phone settings. But before we go any further, I want you to remind you to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. So here you are going to open up your app settings and then you are going to show your system apps like this. Tap on OK and tap on the search bar. Search for Bluetooth settings. So I'm just going to do that right now. Once you find your Bluetooth, just tap on it. Then you are going to head over to your Bluetooth storage. Clear cache if there is any, or if you have an option to clear data, you can do that as well. And after doing this, your Bluetooth should start working. And then for your Wi-Fi network, you are going to go ahead and go to your general management. And then from there, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see the reset option. Tap on it. And from here, you are going to reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this one and then tap on reset settings. So resetting will remove all of your saved Wi-Fi networks or your Bluetooth connections. You will have to connect to your networks once again or pair your devices to your Bluetooth. And after doing that, give your phone a quick restart and everything should start working normally. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.